welcome back to the Butterbean Shop. It's Megan here, and I'm going to be making Cashmere. This is from Brambleberry's, I don't know how to say it, new collection. Hi Go, Hi Gay. I don't know how to say it anyway. It's from their new collection, and it's my favorite out of their new collection, and it smells so good. It's like a cozy, it has fruity, musky, vanilla kind of scent. It's very, 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 very warm and luxurious. I love it. And the notes say that it does discolor to a tan, so I'm going to try to work that into my design here. And we're going to use My Red Obsession from Nurture. We're also going to use Sugar and Spice Mica, which is a new one from Nurture. I love the color. And then we're going to use Shimmer Gold, and these are going to be our accents. And I'm going to kind of lighten up the base with white, titanium dioxide. It is going to discolor, but I don't, we'll see how far it discolors when I add the white. It's going to, but we'll see. And I hope that the color palettes go with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to add the lye solution, which has Tessa Silk and sodium lactate. It's also made with aloe vera juice, not with distilled water. And I'm soaking at room temperature. The notes say that it does accelerate trace a little bit, so we'll see how that goes too. Don't want to overmix, because we are going to mix a little bit when we separate our colors out. We mix in our colors, so we don't want to overmix this. I think this looks good for now. All right. Okay. As I watched my videos back, I noticed I say something all the time, and it's, okay, now. So now we're gonna, I hate that. So I'm gonna try not to say it, but if I do, I apologize. I don't want that yet. If I do, I apologize. So we're going to separate this off into colors now. And I don't want a lot of, I just want highlight colors. So we're going to go with that much for now. See if that is good. Because the colors, oh, I forgot to tell you. The colors are not going to be fragranced because of the discoloration. So I will just be fragrancing the base color, which will be lightened with titanium dioxide. Okay. Wipe this out a little bit. Some little dusties in there. Okay. I mean, it's water. Got waters in there. Okay. So that looks good to me. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. So I think we're good, and I'll go ahead and put the titanium dioxide in here. Okay. And then I'll put the gold, the Shimmer Gold Mica. And this one, I don't know if you can see it. It might be out of frame. Okay. And then this is the sugar and spice. And this is the My Red Obsession. Okay. So I'm gonna start by stirring this in just a little bit. Because this fragrance oil accelerates, I may not have to stick blend this. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna put fragrance in this. So, yeah. Oh, this color's so pretty. Love that color. It's like a bronzy corally color. It's like if bronze and coral had a baby.